Yeah, yo. Hey guys. Yeah, welcome to another week of weekly setups. So election has passed. So it's time to make Forex great again. Alright, as usual. Remember this video is not to be used as financial advice or whatever. It should be used strictly for educational purposes, alright? And these are basically what I'll be doing for this week based on what I'm seeing today, Sunday, November. No, it's not. It's not November. It's it's yes, it's November. November 8th. Right. So here goes as usual. Check me out on Instagram at forex swing. FOREX SWING should be on your screen, and also on my website, which is mrpurposesquid.com. All right, let's go. We begin with Australian USD. So monthly, we could draw this trend line and see clear break. Um, a little rejection here, and now a big bullish candle. All right, closer look on the weekly. Yeah, still seeing a bullish move. Nothing to report about. All right, on the daily, yeah, we could disable this one. Keep it on the monthly and the weekly. And this was from last week. This we're actually looking for. Well, I was actually looking for a break of this triangle and I got it. So that would be price from the break. Price would have gone up 120 pips and now sitting at 100 or 90, approximately 100 pips, right? So let's see what if let me remove this. So this is a daily. So going down on the H4, yeah, I could remove this. So keep them on the H4, keep them on the daily. Not necessary on the H4. So can I those? So clear. This almost seems impulsive, but what am I supposed to do? Each one. So I could go ahead and draw this trend line. Yeah, and we could also draw this one. And notice, guys, I didn't do this because for those who bought my book, they will know the way I draw my trend lines. All right. So unless for a point to be valid, price would have to break the previous high. Anyway, so if you want to check out the book, you can grab it on the website. All right. Anyway, let's go. So price book, we have a low high, low, then a high, and then we are waiting to see if this is actually a higher low, and then if we're going to make a higher high. So for me this week, I would definitely be interested in taking a sell if I get a strong break of this low. So if I get a strong break below this point, yeah, definitely. Or let me draw this, then put this. So if I get a strong break of this eye without price breaking this low, I would also buy. So that's it for Australian USD. Strong break of this high, buy. Strong break of this low, yeah, sell. All right, on to Euro USD. Similar setup on Australian USD. Low price at the trend at the bearish trend line, and we're getting some bullish move now. Looking closer, weekly bullish move, daily, putting some trend lines. So this one not necessary anymore. Price broke the trend line. So this trend line is not saying much to us because price has broken it and started its own new pattern. So let's see. So not necessary. So clearly price found support right about here. And so not necessary anymore. That's a daily. So looking at this resistance seems funny. Usually I would be interested in taking a buy above this wick right here, getting a strong break right here, but because this resistance of it is really strong, I'm not sure I want to risk it. Let me see. Yeah, I could. All right, so and I'll explain why. So this is a daily. Let me remove this and keep it on the H1. So this is daily. So looking at the daily, if we were planning to take a break of this eye on the daily only, I would be interested in it because this seen resistance over this side, I would definitely not be interested in this. Right, but for me, when I'm taking breaks, my stop loss would normally be at the previous high, and in this case, if we're actually taking it on the daily, my stop loss would be here, and this would be millions of pips, and that is too far, and not too far, but it's not worth the risk since resistance is right here, right? But if it was clear and no resistance, then maybe I would probably take an entry on the daily because I really take entries on the daily. It's either H4, H1, and sometimes M30, and that's really also. So on the H4, I'm really loving this wick, this ammo right here, and seeing this anomaly take would take a buy. Um, so and even on the H4, I'm still mindful of the resistance and also support down here, right? So I'm interested in taking a buy, but I'm not willing to risk um a lot. All right, so that's the H4. We should be able to see a better pattern on the H1. All right, so H1, low, high, low, high, low, high, right? So for me, I would definitely take it now on the H H1, right? And we could have a stop loss about even here, 3 places. So for me, if depending on the type of break that we get right there, I would have my stop loss right here, or here, or here, but not lower than right here. So I would have to actually see the break before, and I'll look at, but starting off, my stop loss would be here, right? Because I'm not sure the type of break that I'm going to get. So worst case, if it's not a break that will give me a powerful run, this is the least amount. So yes, it's better to risk this one, right? So for USD, strong break above here, I would buy. Not sure I'm interested in this sell for now. No. Nope. Not interested in NSL for now. So strong break above this here, right here, I would buy. From here, how much pips? This is 40 pips. Yeah, go do that. Definitely do that. All right. So strong break, buy. So moving on to GU. Beacon mountains. All right. Basically the same. All right. So we are at bearish trend line and price approaching trend line for the second time. And also note that price is at resistance. Here. All right. So weekly bullish run. We could draw this. All right. And then price broke the bullish trend line and then started a different trend, right? And price broke out of this channel. So first channel, so let me put it in. So you could have that first channel. Price broke out of this channel, then went into this channel, then breached this channel, and now we are having some bullish move, and price is currently at resistance. So let's see. So for me, let me. This is the H4, so I already know that price. This was actually price was in the channel and all of us. So I have that in my head for H4. So I can draw this. So this is a new trend, right? So for me, I would take a sell if I get a strong break below this point right here. And also, yeah, there's another entry on the H1. So now I'll take strong break here and also strong break here. So strong break above this point, I would buy. Strong break below this point, I would sell. If we get a strong break, I would get another strong break right here, I would sell also, but I'll sell again. All right, so that's it for GU. Moving on to CAT GPY. Monthly, nothing too serious. Could see support. Let me move this. Could see, yep, like a bullish trust right there. nothing. H4. Yeah, looking a little bit better now. H1. So we could draw this one. Not interested. This one. And then what about price in a triangle? Yes, yes, sir. So for me, I would definitely take a break out of this triangle. And although I'm looking for a break, I would want a break of the triangle to this side. Um, I don't mind taking an early entry right here, and I would take if I get a strong break of this high without price breaking this low. So let's say it moves from here to here, I would take this buy. If I get a strong break of this low, I'll take this. So that's it for CAT JPY. Moving on to EJ monthly. Nothing. Nothing. Just like a bullish move. We have. We could also up this. H4. Which one should be a little bit better? So we could have this one. H1, and then we could have this. Yeah. So for me, yeah, I would take a break of this low right here. So clear resistance, and for many this could also be a head and shoulder. So head, shoulder. So let's see if it will play out that way. I am very. I think this is the H1, but let me see if I could get a better entry on the daily on the M30. No, I don't like it. That's going down too far. So for EJ, I would definitely take a sell if I get a strong break of this low. On the GJ, nothing. Price at clear support down here. Weekly, no clean structure visible as yet. Daily, all right. We have a bullish trend here. Price broke the bullish trend. Started doing some twerking about here. Nothing clear. H1. Very interesting. So could put this bullish trend line. Price broke the bullish trend line and has formed a bearish trend line. Bearish trend. So yeah, on the H1, if I get a strong break of this, I would definitely buy. That's a strong break of this side without breaking this low. I would definitely buy. And also, if I get a strong break of this low, because if so, here we have high, low, lower high, lower low. We could say this is also it's possibly a lower high also. But so if this is a lower high and we get a break of this low, that break could also form a lower low, right? So that's the reason why I'm interested in this. If I get a break of this low, and if I get a strong break of this high, price would have broken out of this bearish trend. So yeah, no brainer. So let's see. So strong break by strong break, I would sell. Onto EVJ. I'm in it from last week. Bearish, bearish, bearish. We could draw this trend line. We could also draw one from here because that one is too far away from price. So here we could leave the deal in our H4, H1. Could draw this because we're always trying to get as close as possible to price action with trend lines, and that is when I stop drawing trend lines. When I get close enough, then yeah. So for me, I would take another sell if I get a strong break of this low. Not interested in any buy for now. Although we could get a break of this high and up, but nah, not interested in a buy for now. Until US 30. So this is Biden. Joe Biden. So price phone resistance, but no huge bullish move. It weekly. Let's take a closer look. We could draw this trend line. This one. And guys, if you wanna know how I draw a trend line, check out my book. Haha. Notice I didn't use this one. That would be incorrect based on it that I draw a trend line. So whatever. So this is the one. We know that price did a little bearish trend right here. I low. And now we have this confusion. So low. Let me not say that because this structure is unknown. Let me see what's happening on the H4. H4. Daily. Yeah. So we could probably use a daily to see if we can get an entry. So obvious bullish trend. And there. So for me, yeah, I would definitely take a sell there or a buy there. So if I get a strong break of this low, I would buy. If I get a strong break of this low, I would sell. Right? Strong break of this high would confirm that bullish trend continues, and strong break of this low um, could indicate the beginning of a bearish trend. Last but not least, so let's go Bitcoin. BTC USD. So huge bullish move, and I won't bother to draw any trend lines from this side because I'm only interested in this leg right here. That's enough for me to get an entry. Alright, so this leg bullish right here. Daily. Let me adjust this trend line. Let me adjust it. Adjust. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, boy? Alright, so let's see. Bullish. We could draw this one. Bullish. M30. Yeah, let me see. So we have that, and we could also draw this. So for me, if we get a strong break of this high, we could definitely buy. But guys, be careful because Bitcoin is not for just the average, just for mere mortals, right? So this thing moves a lot. So I would recommend any of you guys trading it, all right? Trust me, unless you are experienced. But I would take a strong break of this high for a buy. So that's it, guys. Hope you have a great week trading. All the best. And hopefully I'll do another video on Wednesday. Look out for it. And I'll be emailing the watches to all the persons that bought my book. So look out for the email in a few minutes. Alright guys, that's it. Later.